From tranquil countrysides to roaring factories, the world underwent a transformation like never before. This was the Industrial Revolution, a period that redefined progress and society. Beginning in Britain in the late 18th century, the Industrial Revolution was marked by a surge of innovations. Machines replaced manual labor, increasing production exponentially. Factories became the epicenters of production. Railways and steamships revolutionized transportation, connecting cities, countries, and continents. As industries flourished, people flocked to cities in search of work, leading to rapid urbanization. This migration changed the social fabric, giving rise to a new working class. But progress came at a cost. Factory workers faced grueling hours, hazardous conditions, and meager wages. Child labor became rampant, and the gap between the rich and the poor widened. The challenges of industrialization sparked movements for change. Workers united, demanding better conditions, rights, and reforms. This period saw the birth of labor unions and significant social reforms. Yet, the Industrial Revolution wasn't just about challenges. It ushered in advancements in medicine, communication, and infrastructure. Life expectancy increased, and innovations, like the telegraph and telephone, made the world more connected. The revolution wasn't confined to Europe. It had global implications. European powers expanded their empires, seeking resources and markets, shaping global trade and geopolitics. Today, as we stand on the brink of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, driven by digital technology, we're reminded of the profound impact of that pivotal era. The foundations laid during the Industrial Revolution continue to influence our world in countless ways. The Industrial Revolution was more than just machines and factories. It was a period of change, challenges, and unprecedented progress, shaping the course of modern history